We can try the next idea then. So I am going to build it up to make it, to break it down in each molecule of this turn. So the next one, I am having my partner doing the forward backward here. Is her right leg moving, but I am not moving. I am only leading her. My left foot is in front, my right foot is back. Now, after this, when she goes back, I will cross. Forward, I will come back to the original position. So now I will accompany her movement with this. Crossing, crossing, come back. Crossing, come back. Let's see. So I will do first without the cross, second with the cross. 2, 3, 4. Now I accompany her. Pretty much in the same direction than her step. Okay, let's try that. That's the next possibility, the next idea to use for the turn.